Hey buddies, what's up? PC Mentors here. In today's video, I'll be going to simply show you that how you can create a 3D effect on your photo for TikTok, Instagram, Snap videos or something like that. So before I go ahead and show you this method that how we can create a stunning photo of 3D effect, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the recent post videos and notification on my channel. So it is a quite simple and easy way we can do this. What you have to do, just make sure select a photo, and I will be going to discuss every single detail in this video. Now promise me to watch this video to the end, and you will be probably know that how we can create this effect. So for this, what you have to do, just make sure open the Play Store and search for the CapCut this app. Okay, irrespective of the device, whether it is Android or iOS, it is available on the Play Store of all the mobile operating system. Okay, just download this application and you are good to go. So now the application is going to install. Once this has been installed, simply open it, and here we go. So now I'm gonna open this application. Okay, and here you have to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Okay, now here what you have to do, just click on this next and new project, and you have to make sure to give the permission to access this application to your photos and videos. And here you have to select photos. I'm gonna select 12 or 10 photos depending upon your scenario. You just select that according to your scenario. Okay, and add these photos. Now here what you have to do, just make sure you can cut these images. You can decrease or increase the duration of a single image. As you can see here, I'm gonna decrease the image duration to 1 second, exactly like this one, and here we go. So you can do this. Okay, and apart from this, you can do this decreasing and increasing the duration of a single image by doing so. Okay, so now you get the point. While doing this, it really looks so when it is playing in a transition or in a slideshow. Okay, so one image has been displayed and other is displaying simultaneously depending upon the duration of the photo you have set here. Okay, so now these images have been in the high quality or high resolution. As you can see here, it takes a longer to reload in these applications. Okay, so don't worry about that. And I have taken these images from the pixels.com. okay, so all these of the images has been taken from the pixels.com. so if you wanna do these effects on those photos, just make sure download this. I have given link in the description, and you're good to go. Okay, so I have set the time duration of every single image, and here we go. So now what I will be going to do, now I'm gonna decrease the size of all these images. Okay, and now I'm gonna apply that special effect for which you are come here and watching this video. So what you have to do, just click on the video and click on the style, and here you have to allow, and here are the two options, 3D zoom and 3D cartoon. So make sure to click on the 3D option and wait for it. Okay, so what it will do in the background, it will be going to apply the artificial intelligence model. Okay, so it is basically removing or creating a moving effect on the background while the image of you will be static in the front. Okay, so it just do that. So I hope you get the point I just say about that. So in this way you can do this effect to every single image you have been added to this Canva. Okay, now what I have added this one, and now I'm gonna add the 3D effect to this image as well. What you have to do, just select the image, click on the stylus, and click on the 3D image. Once this effect has been done, simply click on this tick icon. Okay, and here you go. So now I'm gonna skip this video because it is take a longer than usual, and you don't have to wait. I'm gonna skip this video, and if you're watching it, just keep watching. Okay, no problem. I will really appreciate that. Okay, So finally I have applied all the effects to every single image on my canvas. So what you have to do right now, I'm gonna add this effect to the last image, okay, just for fun. Okay, now these are the images, and click on the upload, and here you can set the resolution. Okay, so I'm gonna select the HD resolution, the high resolution, okay, and increase the frame rate per second to 60. Okay, and now I'm gonna export this. So it will take a time to export your images of 3D effect. Once this process has been done, you are able to get your video file of your image, and later on you can share it to your TikTok account. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply share on the done, and these are the slides that I have created, as you can see here, and it looks really wonderful. Now once again, make sure subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Still, if you have any question regarding this video, please make sure let me know in the comment section, and I will really appreciate that. Now stay tuned, stay blessed, and see you in the next video.